Hello friends, welcome to my channel Being Chemistry. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So we will solve another problem which is asked in GATE 2014. The question is, the product of the following reaction gives 6 line in 13-syn NMR spectrum with peaks at 175, 52, 50, 46, 37, 33 ppm. The structure of the product is. So they have given 6 signals in 30-syn NMR. If you see all the option, we have 6 type of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have problem with this molecule, this OMe has a different environment and this OMe also have different environment. So these two are different carbons. Now if you are familiar with this reaction, this is a kind of Wolff rearrangement. If you see the mechanism, there is this diazo compound that will first give a carbene intermediate and that will attack, and this will go and this will attack to this and form a ketene. Now MeOH will be attacked and this will give a rearrangement product like this. So option C will be the correct answer. Now based on this chemical shift values, that is 13-syn NMR values, 175 correspond to ester group. So we have ester group. Based on that, A and B also not correct because in this molecule ester group is absent. Now if you see the 52, 50, 46, 37, 33, these three are sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is also sp3 hybridized but attached to heteroatom or electron withdrawing groups. This is for OMe group, and this carbon is this 50 value is for attached to carbonyl carbon. So option C will be the correct answer. Now we will move to next question, that is which is asked in GATE 2015. The Beckmann rearrangement of a bromoacetophenone oxime, that is C8H8BRNO, gives a major product having the following 1H NMR. So they have mentioned 6 values in 1H NMR. Based on these chemical shift values, we have to say which is the correct answer. Now if you see these 6 values, 4 are aromatic protons and 2 are non-aromatic. So this 4 must be, if you see the multiplicity value, singlet, doublet, multiplet, doublet, and these 2 are coupling partners. These 2 doublets are coupling partners. Now this singlet, doublet, we have 2 doublets and 1 singlet and multiplet. We will apply this first molecule. So this will have singlet, this will have doublet, that is orthocoupling 7 Hz, and this will also have doublet 7 Hz, and this will have a multiplet, that is doublet of doublet. So multiplet. So this is applied for this 4 values. If you see this molecule, this will give a doublet, this will give a multiplet, doublet of doublet, this will also give a doublet of doublet, multiplet, this will also doublet. So this is not the answer because we have singlet, doublet, multiplet, doublet. Similarly, this will be not the answer, that is doublet, this is multiplet, multiplet, and this is doublet. So we have 2 doublet and 2 multiplet, which is not in this chemical shift values. And similarly for D, we have singlet, this is doublet, doublet, multiplet. This is also applicable. Now how to differentiate these 2 molecules? If you see this molecule, this is attached to NH and this is attached to carbonyl group. So 9.891 hydrogen singlet, this must be NH protons, and this NH protons should attach to the benzene ring. How we know that? If you see this 2.063 hydrogen singlet, this correspond to only when this is attached to carbonyl group, not any heteroatom. So this CH3 is attached to carbonyl group and this CH3 attached to heteroatom. If any carbon will attach to heteroatom, that will resonate 3 above, but this is given 2.06. So based on that, we can eliminate option D and confirm with option A. So A is the correct answer. So I have mentioned all the values, you can see easily, that is, this correspond to 7.45, this will 7.17, this will 7.12, this will 2.06, this will 9.89 and 7.80. So now we will do the next problem, that is the structure of the compound having following data. So they have mentioned IR 1690, which is for the alpha beta unsaturated ketone when it is conjugation with aryl group, alpha beta conjugation with aryl group. So this ketone will be resonate at 1690. So we have all in the all options they have mentioned that. So this IR data, that much of information only. Now we will move to 1H NMR, that is the 7 values. So this is 1.30 3 hydrogen triplet and 2 hydrogen quadret 2.41. So this must be CH2CH3 because one is giving triplet and one is quadret. This will give quadret, this will give triplet. Both are 7.2 Hz vicinal coupling. 2.32 3 hydrogen singlet, this is for CH3. All the options have CH3. So based on that we cannot differentiate. Now for these 4 values which is in aromatic region, that is triplet, doublet of triplet, triplet, doublet of triplet. We can see the multiplicity and predict. So if you see, these 7.0 are orthocoupling and these 3.0 are metacoupling. So 7.0 and these two are coupling partners, they must be coupling because 7.0, 7.0, 3.0, 3.0, and this must be metacoupling. This is giving triplet and this must be orthocoupling. So if you see this molecule, this 7.44 must be this hydrogen. This will give a triplet. Based on this 2 hydrogen, this will give triplet, that is 7 Hz. This will give also a triplet. You can see this value, that is you can get a doublet first and triplet because of these 2 hydrogen, that is metacoupling. So doublet of triplet, this will give also doublet, and for these 2 hydrogen meta present, for this hydrogen these 2 hydrogen are meta. So first doublet then triplet. So 7 Hz, 3 Hz. So this type of molecule is applicable for these 4 protons. If you see in this molecule, this will give doublet and also doublet, doublet of doublet. We don't have doublet of doublet. One is for orthocoupling, one is metacoupling. This is ortho, we will get triplet, and meta we will get doublet, so doublet of triplet. So this is not applicable because we don't have that kind of splitting pattern. First it will give a doublet, second it will get doublet. So doublet of doublet is absent. So this type of molecule will be not applicable. This is also not applicable. Now between A and D, one is the answer. Now how to confirm that? So we will look at these 3 chemical shift values. There is 1.3, 2.41 and 2.32. Based on 3 chemical shift value, we will differentiate option A and option D. So if you see this 2.41, 2 hydrogen quadret, this is when we will get when this is attached to a carbonyl group, and 2.32 3 hydrogen singlet, this is for this CH3 because this is attached to a sp2 hybridized benzene ring. So due to some anisotropic effect, we can say that the chemical shift value will somewhat increases. That's why we are getting 2.32 3 hydrogen singlet. So option A will be the correct answer. If you see this 2.41, this is when attached to this carbonyl group. If you see this CH3 is also attached with this carbonyl group, but this is given 2.32. That was somewhat less then 2.41. So this option is eliminated. Option A will be the correct answer. Now we will move to next question, that is the spectroscopic data for an organic compound with molecular formula C10H12O2R given below. That is, they have mentioned IR data 1750 centimeter inverse and 1H NMR, that is they have mentioned 4 values. Based on this they have given 4 options. They have given only IUPAC nomenclature. So first we have to know how to convert IUPAC into a structure. So I have already done this. So if you see the IUPAC for this methyl 2 phenyl propionate, I have drawn all the structure. This question is asked in GATE 2017. Now how to do this problem? Very easy. If you see this IR data, that is 1750, this correspond to ester group. So all 4 options have ester group. Now 5 hydrogen multiplet, 7.30 5 hydrogen multiplet. This is due to this benzene ring 5 hydrogen. So 4 options have benzene ring with having 5 hydrogen. Now this is 5.85 100 quadrate. That means we have in my compound 1 hydrogen. So this is 1 hydrogen, will give a quadrate. This is 1 hydrogen, will give a quadrate. We don't have 1 hydrogen in this compound also. So option C and D are eliminated easily. Now we will do 2.05 3 hydrogen singlet, 3 hydrogen singlet and 1.50 3 hydrogen doublet. This will give 3 hydrogen doublet. This will also give 3 hydrogen doublet. This will give 3 hydrogen singlet. This will give 3 hydrogen singlet. So these two are common, only these two are different. This CH3 is attached to carbonyl, this CH3 attached to a heteroatom. If you see the chemical shift values, 2.05 3 hydrogen singlet, this is not for a heteroatom attached carbon having protons. This is only when it is attached to a carbonyl group. So this will be the correct answer.